Hello. Here we are at the Snake River Birds of Prey National Conservation Area. It's put out or governed by the U.S. Department of the Interior Bureau of Land Management. This is an area that's used for, you can go out here and shoot guns and stuff like skeet and whatever. It says straight shooting. Let's be straight shooters. If you can get a little crowd, it can get a little crowded out here. The Snake River Birds of Prey National Conservation Area is a popular place for those who like to be outdoors. Recreation use has intensified. Many new homes have been built within range of your favorite shooting spot. A stray bullet could easily reach the backyard swing set. Bureau of Land Management has designated 10% of the NCA as a national safety zone for visitors and nearby residents. About 450,000 acres remain open for safe shooting. We need your help. If you shoot in the NCA, be sure you're in an area where it's permitted and that you follow safe shooting practices. Know what's beyond your target. Make sure there's a backstop behind your target. Be aware of other visitors nearby and where their activities may take them. Take your target home. Don't leave a mess for someone else to clean up. We want NCA to be a safe place. With your help, we can make it work. For more information, give the BLM a call. And then it says Snake River Canyon. Closed year-round to rifles and pistols and closed to all firearms February 15 to August 31st. The closed area lies 1/2 mile on both sides of the Snake River from Grandview downstream to the old Guthrie Bridge. Exception: rifle hunting is allowed in Unit 40 during an established deer season. And this is the area. Birds of Prey and more. In addition to being a raptor watching hotspot, the Snakes River Birds of Prey NCA provides numerous and varied recreation opportunities. Bird watching, horseback riding, hiking, and OHV use. And this is the map of the area. And someone's got a bullet hole right there in the middle of the sign. That tells you what he thought of that sign about safe for hunting and stuff. They have different points here, or different places here. Dedication Point, Celebration Park, Halverson Bar and Halverson Lake, and Swan Falls Dam. I've taken you out there before when we was showing you paragliding. So that's one of the places on one of my former videos. As you can see, there's a road up there. I'm not going to go up there today, but there's a road up there that leads, way up into the shooting ranges. As you can see, a lot of Idaho has trees, and some places is complete desert, and this is one of the complete desert areas. So, from one of the places out here at Snakes River Birds of Prey,